Guys, welcome back to my channel. As you can tell by the title, we are going to be doing a spa day at home. I want to apologize for how this looks because I don't understand what happened, but whatever. So we're gonna start with dermaplaning. The purpose of dermaplaning is just to get all of the peach fuzz and the excess hair off your skin to have a clear base. I always use aloe vera gel because I just always have, and yeah. That's what we're doing, and I'm just cleaning up my eyebrows and everything. Any type of peach fuzz, I get rid of it, because why not? See that? Disgusting. After I rinse my face with cold water, then I go in with the Verre Tourmaline cleanser. My mom gave me this, and honestly, I love it so much. It just cleans my skin really well, and it's not too harsh. She's on the expensive side, but honestly, it makes sense. She knows what she's doing, so. I wanted to show y'all what I looked like when I was doing that, but now I'm doing my toner. I got this at Walmart. It's like the dupe for the Korean ones you see on TikTok and everything. They have a green one and then they have an orange one. This is my first time trying a green one. I really, really like it. It's only for nighttime, but it's an exfoliating one. The exfoliating, like creams and cleansers, kind of are harsh on my skin, so I just use a little toner for it. But once again, this is only for night. Now for my facial steamer. I got this for Christmas from my bonus mom, and I love her. Before I do that, I go in with the serum. Ordinary, of course. You've always have seen that, guys. That will never change. And you're going to see me hold up the steamer. When I tell you that steamer, it works wonders. Like, it opens you up. You can't really see it right now because the way it's positioned, but I'm going to pick it up in just a second. But you use bottled water and you just put it in there and you let it like heat up. Y'all, it does wonders. Another alternative you could use is basically just getting your shower and just make it as hot as you can stand it and just go from there. But yeah, this eats. I only use it like once a month because you don't want to, damage your skin because it gets super hot really fast. But it just opens up your pores and everything. For my eye cream, I'm going in with the Peach Lily. I love this stuff. Eye creams have always been a hit or miss for me, but this eats. Like, I love it so, so much. I think right here I was singing. I don't know. Don't judge me. But yeah, that eye cream eats. I got it when I was working at Ulta. I'll have to buy her again because she eats. I have another one that I use for like the morning, but this one is really what I really, really like to use. Now for moisturizer, I'm going in with the Charlotte Tilbury, like the gel cream. I like how super light it is, but it still is very, very hydrating. So I just rub that in everywhere. And I like how shiny my face looks. So, yeah. And of course, after I do that, I go in with this lip mask that I also got from Walmart. It makes my lips super, super moisturized in the morning, so I always use her. They have this one, and I think they have a blue one. I always get the pink one. So yeah, it's nothing crazy, but yeah, guys, that is it for my routine. Of course, always don't forget to always hydrate as well, but as you can see, look how glowy that skin is. Bye.